Which way is he coming?
He's hauling ass. How'd he get here that quick?
Huh?
How'd he get here that fast?
I don't know.
See a sec?
This was the one on the webcam. You wave?
I can't tell.
Beep. I think this is the M496. Actually, it might be the 492.
What's that?
A492. I didn't even see it when we went over Griswold.
I didn't either.
Maybe he was going fast at first.
Must have been.
Usually the eastbound and Emmett go real fast for go-go's and stuff. When they get close to here, they normally go pretty fast.
He's still going pretty fast. I mean, slowing down now. Yeah.
Slowing down a bit.
Yeah.
Huh?
He has to.
Shit.
Sit right here.
Huh?
It's the end.
And? Yep, there is.